I am scared. I do not know anyone here. What if they do not like me?
It is a sunny Saturday morning. The family goes to the park in their new neighborhood.
Wow, this park is so big! Look at the swings, Emma!
Oliver runs to the swings. He is very happy. But Emma stays close to her parents. Emma, why don't you go and play? The park is wonderful. I understand, Emma. It is okay to feel nervous. But try to say hello. Emma looks around the park. She sees a girl sitting alone on a bench. The girl is reading a book.
Look, Emma, that girl is sitting alone. Maybe she wants a friend too.
But what do I say? What if she does not want to talk to me? If you like this story, please press the like button and comment what story you want next.
Just say hello and tell her your name. That is a great start. Emma takes a deep breath. She walks slowly toward the bench. Her heart is beating fast.
Hello, my name is Emma. Can I sit here with you? Hi, Emma. Yes, of course. My name is Lily. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Lily. What are you reading? Yes, I love books too. My favorite book has a cat in it.
Emma and Lily talk about books. They smile and laugh together. Emma feels happy now.
Do you want to play on the swings with me? Yes, I love the swings. Let's go.
Emma and Lily run to the swings. They swing high and laugh loudly. Oliver is playing on the slide nearby.
Emma, who is your new friend? Can I play too? This is Lily. Lily, this is my little brother Oliver. Hi, Oliver. Do you want to race to the slide? Yes, I am very fast. Ready, set, go! Yay! Go, Oliver! Go, Lily!
The three children play together for a long time. They are having so much fun.
Look at Emma. She is smiling so much. She made a new friend.
She was so scared before. Now look at her. I am so proud. It is time to go home. Anna calls the children.
Emma, Oliver, it is time to go home.
Already? Okay, Mom. Lily, can we play again tomorrow?
Yes, I come to this park every Saturday.
See you next week, Emma. Goodbye, Lily. I am so happy I talked to you today.
The family walks home together. The sun is setting. It is a beautiful evening.
Emma, your friend Lily is really nice. I like her. She is really nice. I was so scared, but now I have a new friend.
You were very brave today, Emma. We are proud of you.
Remember, Emma, a good friend starts with just saying hello.
Question for you! What is the name of Emma's new friend? Is it Lily, Sarah, or Rose? Tell us in the comments! Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, please subscribe to our channel for more fun English stories. See you next time!